Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us how to save ourselves from sickness. I'm talking here of physical sickness. There are many types of sicknesses, many ailments. There are many things that people go through in terms of negative health matters. But when it comes to the system of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says, you will minimize your sickness if you were to eat that which is halal, that which is pure, that which is fit for consumption for a Muslim. It's known as halal. If you don't consume that which is halal, and if you fall into that which is haram in terms of consumption, then you will become unhealthy. You know that blood, you know pork, you know various other things, certain animals that are haram, that which is not slaughtered in the proper way, the blood has not flown out, full of disease and sickness. We are not allowed to eat that. Allah is saying, save yourself, save your health by eating that which is halal. Listen to what Allah says, verse number 168 of Surah Al-Baqarah. يا أيها الناس كلوا مما في الأرض حلالا طيبا ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. O people, eat that which is on earth, that which is halal and pure. One might ask, what's the difference between the two? There are many different explanations. Halal, you and I know. But say, for example, I am eating meat that is slaughtered properly, everything is okay in terms of the way it was cut. But the finance or the money with which I bought that meat was actually earned in a wrong way. Then what happens? The meat might be halal, but it's not pure. It's not something clean. It's something that will result in spiritual sickness. Because stolen money and you went to buy beautiful halal meat from the halal butchery, for example. What happened? The meat was halal, but it wasn't pure. Your earning was filthy. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us guidance. This is only one of the explanations of this term. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open our doors. He says, do not follow the paths or the footsteps of the devil. Do not follow shaitan. Do not follow the path of shaitan. For indeed, he is an outright enemy. If you want to save yourself, things will seem very, very tasty. Sometimes they will be very attractive. If it is prohibited for you, remember it's the devil who's making it attractive. Don't fall into that trap. It will result in some form of calamity, some form of problem, some form of difficulty. This is why we need to stay away from that which earns the displeasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks about, and we will end with this point, He speaks about the reasoning behind fasting. Fasting is supposed to protect us from so many evil things. It is supposed to give us control. Isn't it, as Muslimin, life as a Muslim is all about controlling yourself. It's all about subduing that which might be evil within you, putting it down. So Allah says, verse number 183 of Surah Al-Baqarah, يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. O you who believe, fasting has been prescribed upon you as it was upon those before you in order that you may achieve taqwa. Taqwa meaning the consciousness of Allah, the fear of transgressing the command of Allah, the fear of going against the instruction of the one who made us. That is taqwa. So we need to understand, when we abstain from halal for the whole day, for the entire month of Ramadan, it should make it easy for us to stay away from haram throughout the rest of the year. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala strengthen us. May Allah make us from among those who can stay away from haram every single day. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be pleased with us. Wa sallallahu wa sallama wa baraka ala nabiyyina Muhammad. Subhanallahi wa bihamdih. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.